Mom. Hello, it's Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at the Deeds Group at RE/MAX.
Hi, we're the Daisies family. Well, actually, we're the Mallorys, but we own Daisies. I'm Sean. This is my wife, Anna. This is my oldest daughter, Carson. Her fiance, Michael. This is Joris. There's my oldest son, Gavin, and his little girlfriend, Alexis. And then we got Bodie, Dakota, Mackenzie, Taylor, and Gabe to round it out.
Okay, I am here at Daisy's. This is a snow cone shop on Little Road, 3814 Little Road. We're just north of Pleasant Ridge. So this is pretty cool because they have a physical, like a storefront, but also these guys are standing behind their very cool VW van, right, bus. And so they can also do
mobile jobs.
See,
birthday parties, cookouts,
I mean, I'm supposed to
anything
be filming a video here, and I can't find my words
I can
today.
jump right in
So
with you.
I appreciate it. So I'm here with Sean and Anna, who are the owners of Daisy's, and their family, of course. So tell me a little bit about how did this get started? How long have you guys been in business, and how did we get here?
When I was younger, my parents actually sold franchises of the same stuff, of tropical snow. So,
Okay.
I'd have to get orders ready when anybody around the world ordered one. We'd get the order together and all that. So I always knew how good the snow cones were because we actually started working at the fair in West Virginia because that's where we're from.
Okay.
We started working the fair every year, and we graduated college, moved down here, hadn't messed with snow cones, but then we started having kids. And I was like, we've got a whole workforce here. We should open a business to where we utilize these kids.
I love that.
And snow cones just seemed so simple. And I remember how good these were. And I was like, we have to have tropical snow, and that's what we got.
Perfect.
And everything was fine.
Can I tell you something? So Daisy's was at our last client appreciation event that we had. Actually, it was a Cinco de Mayo. It was a food drive that we did.
Yeah.
And we have some clients that are from Hawaii. And, Hawaiians are very particular about, they don't like regular old snow cones that we have here on the big.
Yeah.
So anyway, the tropical snow that they're talking about, the shaved ice, it truly is a different snow cone. I mean, my kids have had their snow cones before, but even just now they're like, Mom, these are just so good.
I've noticed the same thing with people from Louisiana. They have what they call snowballs there. And it must taste just like our stuff, really soft ice and all that, because everybody that comes in here, they're like, man, I've been living here for 10 years, and this is the first time I've tasted something that's even close to a snowball. So if you're familiar with the snowball, then you probably know what these are going to taste like.
Yeah.
So the ice is just real soft, and they just speak for themselves when you eat one.
That is fantastic. Yeah, no, they really are super good. So tell me a little bit about the business as far as, I know you've got a couple of things you do for the community, and I think it's 25% back on, talk to me about that.
Yes, we give 25% back to when we go and do a school function, do snow cones at a school. We always give 25% back to the school. And if you come into our shop, if you're a teacher or a police officer or a fireman or in the armed services, past or present, you also get 25% every time you come to the store. We do a free snow cone on your birthday. We also do a complimentary puppy cone. So when you bring your dog in, we are pet friendly, so you can bring your dog in. We give them a little puppy cone. What else we got? We have a punch card, so after you buy 9 snow cones, you get your 10th one
for free.
of any size. So you can come in and get that large. It's huge, like this big.
Well, and so also they have some very exciting news. Recently, they have gotten a new contract of sorts or whatever. So if you are someone who frequents Six Flags, you will find Daisy's there. Do you know where in the park you're going to be located?
Not sure yet, but we're supposed to be out there for the whole month of July.
Starting in July. So that is super exciting. That's a really big deal.
It is.
That is awesome.
We're excited and nervous. Listen, we need 11 people to cover it every day, and we have 12. So we got one floater.
So you got a floater.
So we can still run the shop, and we do, I do a lot of mobiles. I probably do 15 to 20 mobiles per week, whether it's a barbecue, baby shower, birthday, whatever it is, pool party. Nothing's too big or too small. We did a place that did 400 or 500 snow cones the other day, but I've also done a party where there was 4 little girls there. We pulled up, did 4 snow cones, and that's just what we do. We're all about family, and we, try to meet everybody's needs.
Complimentary.
Yeah, we don't charge.
Complimentary.
Yeah, there's no fee. When we come out and do a mobile, it's just $3 a snow cone. There's no other fees or charges,
so there's
no minimums.
No booking fee or anything like
Yeah,
that.
nothing
It's
like
just
that.
no minimum. That's
And it doesn't matter if we sell 1 snow cone or 1,000 snow cones. It's just we're happy to be there.
That is awesome. awesome. Well, and so truly a community business. I mean, the whole point of this that we do on our Facebook page is a community spotlight. These are the types of businesses we love to spotlight. So thank you so much for having us. They truly are a partner in the community, and we're so fortunate to have gotten to do a little bit of business with them already. And I've attended birthday parties and things where they have been, and so we're thankful for the opportunity to see you guys today.
Absolutely.
And
thank y'all for doing it. We appreciate it.
absolutely, absolutely. Well, I mean, I would say goodbye to everybody, but I won't remember all the names. You guys are fantastic. I think it's awesome that you are so involved in your family business, and this is just such a great example.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank
Appreciate
you
it.
very much.
Yep.
Yes, thank you.
See you guys later.
Appreciate it. Thank you.